Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to care for goldfish. Set up a tank with proper filtration and cycle the water fully before adding fish to avoid ammonia spikes. Rinse gravel, add dechlorinated water, and test for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. Position the tank away from direct sunlight and drafts to keep temperature stable. Introduce a single goldfish at first and monitor water parameters daily until readings are consistently safe. Feed goldfish small portions of high-quality flakes or pellets once or twice daily to prevent overeating and water fouling. Observe each feeding and remove any uneaten food after about 2 minutes to keep the tank clean. Offer a vegetable treat like blanched peas or spinach once or twice a week for fiber and digestion. Maintain a consistent schedule and adjust amounts for growth or appetite changes. Keep water quality high with regular partial changes and routine testing for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. Aim for weekly 25% changes and vacuum the substrate to remove waste. Maintain temperature in the appropriate range and avoid sudden fluctuations that stress fish. Quarantine new arrivals for observation before adding them to the main tank. If you notice unusual behavior or visible issues,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.